Okay, so we have a question here. It's asking us, or it's telling us that a line has failed and 82.5 meters of 200 millimeter in pipe must be replaced. How many 1.5 meter sections of pipe will be needed? Now, whenever I'm given any problem, again, I like to draw out diagrams and I like to put the given information on the diagram just so I understand what's going on. So essentially what I'm told is a pipeline. We can assume it's carrying water. A section of it has failed. And exactly they've told us that it's 82.5 meters of it has failed. So let's just assume 82.5 of this however long pipeline has failed. We're also told that it's 200 millimeter of pipe. So 200 millimeter we can assume, or we can know that that is the face of the pipe. So that is the diameter. 200 millimeter piping. And we know that the pipeline comes in sections of 1.5 meters. Now, in case you don't know this, but for long pipelines, carrying, whether it's carrying water or oil or whatever gas, they don't come in kilometer sizes, they come in sections and then they're welded together. So in our case, they're coming in sections of 1.5 meters. So for example, maybe this is 1.5 meter of pipe and it's welded to another 1.5 meter of pipe and so on until it makes the entire pipeline. And again, pipelines can be kilometers and kilometers long. They could be delivering water from the facility to your home. So they're very, very long. And right now we're told that the sections they come in is 1.5 meters. So all they're asking is if this much of 82.5 meters of piping has failed, how many 1.5 meter sections of pipe do we need? And by just looking at my diagram, I can see that all we have to do is simply divide. So we're told that 82.5 meter pipe has failed and it comes in sections of 1.5 meters. So we want to know how many of these sections, like how many of these do I need to buy to make 82.5, to replace this 82.5 meter piping. So I'm going to divide this by my 1.5 meter sections. And again, no matter what I do, I always put in my units just to ensure that they're the same, and it helps me understand that I've calculated the right thing. So meter by meter cancels out, and we get 82.5 divided by 1.5. We get 55 sections are needed. Now, again, drawing this out really helps me understand a few things. One, what it's looking for, but two, it's also showing us that the problem did give us some information that wasn't needed, like this diameter. We really didn't need to know how big the pipe is to calculate this. It could have been a much smaller pipe. It could have been let's say 100 millimeter pipe, but it doesn't matter. We didn't need that to figure out the number of sections that we needed to replace. So my answer is just that, 55 sections.